Oh no, it's loading. Internet's not working for Windows 10. Okay. So if you have Windows 10 and you're using Google Chrome, Firefox, um, Opera, I think, Safari, and Internet Explorer, if none of them works and using a laptop or a desktop integrated with a Wi-Fi adapter inside, but the internet just keeps loading like that and doesn't want to start, something's wrong with that. So if you can check, just go to device, manager. It looks like that on Windows 10. Okay, now let's look for the Wi-Fi. I think it's network adapter. And it says Intel. But let's say this. You uninstall that and reinstall that, but it still doesn't work. Just keeps loading and loading on your Windows 10 on any browser. So I will show you how to fix that. Do you have a laptop with a damaged adapter inside or a desktop? Your Wi-Fi adapter? I would recommend buying a TP-Link. It's a small Wi-Fi, USB Wi-Fi adapter. All you do just plug it in. You plug it in. You open this. And it should come with the CD. Okay. You get a case like this, and you get the CD inside. I think I left my CD in my external DVD drive. But after you use the CD, you plug this in. You just go to Wi-Fi, and it should start. Your internet should work on any browser. Just go to Yahoo or YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. And it should work a lot better. So don't forget. Oh yeah, I will flash green. After you use the CD and install in your computer, this thing should flash. Let me take that off. TP-Link. Sometimes people think that something's wrong with the Wi-Fi modem or it could be the internet, but it's mostly the inside your computer. Something's wrong with your Wi-Fi adapter. So sometimes you don't want to open these laptops. They're hard to fix. When you open them, you have to take it to the shop. So for emergencies, I would recommend getting a TP-Link. It's a good brand and it works for me. Thanks for watching. This is Xenon the Fixer. See you later. Oh wait, I should show you guys the box. It's like $40. You get 2-year warranty. They have stronger ones, stronger USB ones, but this is a $10 or $15 one if you want to save some money. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.